you, BelfanmStLici here, and today I'm going to update you on my progress with my lock installation and how I'm planning to go forward. Stay tuned to hear more. So I'm really excited to start over with my locks because I'm really excited about having some serious hair, if you know what I mean. So I have installed my 2-strand twist, and I just wanted to let you in on what I plan to do going forward, at least for this month. So I'm not going to twist my hair again. I'm not going to interlock my hair. We're just going to try to ride these 2-strand twists as long as they could go before we have to do anything to them. Okay, I'm going to wet my hair every day in the shower and maybe apply some coconut oil or any oils I have on hand, or shea butter, and I'm just going to let it sit on my hair, maybe put a shower cap on, let the hair really absorb the shea butter or the coconut oil. And yeah, this is what I'm going to do for the entire month of August. I want to try to avoid trimming too much out of my hair when I'm done with the locks. If I have to go to any appointments, or if I have to go to work, or if I have to go to any special occasion, what I'm planning to do is wrap them up, do some faux locks, or do some box braids. But I'm more leaning towards faux locks because they will affect the 2-strand twist less. Yeah, so I just have a few tips for anyone who wants to join me. Don't feel as if people are going to judge you. Mind your funky business. Don't worry about that. That will be the last of your issues when your hair is like laid, okay? I'll be updating you monthly on how my locks are going and how I'm planning to go forward and face certain challenges that might arise from deciding to use this way of growing your hair. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.